Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I am going to explain the automatic door lock, which has been controlled by Bluetooth without using any microcontroller or Arduino. Now, as you can see, the door has been locked. Now, by applying the Bluetooth code, the door will be opened like this one. Now, opening the software, the apps which controls the Bluetooth this way. So here we can see here the door lock. This one. The door has been connected, as you can see here, and the door is open. You can see here. Again connect and disconnect. You can connect the door, this one. This one, the Bluetooth terminal, but it is not visible. I don't know why it is not visible. Now it is visible this way. Connect it and disconnect it. Here you can see here. This way we control the door lock by just Bluetooth without using any microcontroller or Arduino. Here is the control unit where we control the Bluetooth device here. This device, in which Bluetooth device has been used without using any microcontroller or Arduino. Now I will show the PCB or the real circuit which I have used the Arduino, Bluetooth, and some regulator ICs and other transistors and resistors. Now let's see inside the control unit. This is the control unit. Here you can see here. Let's open it. Here you can see the control unit. This one, the Bluetooth device. This is the transistor 2 and 2. I turn on the flashlight. You can see easily here. This is the Bluetooth device. And this one, the regulator IC 7T8070T805. This is the capacitor. And the small is the diode. This one is the optocoupler and transistor. As you can see, there is no Arduino or microcontroller on the back side. There's also nothing. Here you can see visibly. This is the optocoupler. Here you can see visibly the Bluetooth device HC05 and regulator IC 7805, the capacitor, diode, optocoupler, transistor, two and double triple quad 4 2 and 2 and these are the transistor resistors, the front side, and this one is the back side of the circuit which is used. This one you can see here, it is the back side. So this was the small circuit for controlling the Bluetooth door system. This one is the cape. So thank you for watching our video.